Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a Needoh cube. Okay, now let's get started. Let's start off by drawing a large square shape. Let's draw a line across at the top. And for the corners, let's curve it down. Now let's bring it down on the sides. And again, let's curve off the corners. And then close off the bottom. Now to give the 3D shape, let's start on the top corner and let's angle it up. Bring it over. And curve it down. And then let's bring it down on the right side. Curve it in at the bottom. And angle it back down to the corner. And then inside, at the top corner here, let's draw an angle. And that's it for the shape of the cube. Now let's hop in and draw the logo. To start off, I'm going to draw a reference line in the center, and make sure you draw this in a pencil so we can erase it later. Let's draw a wavy line across. Now start drawing the letter N on the top left by drawing a curve around, leaving it open at the top. Then let's curve it up, a bump on top, and then from the bottom, let's bring it up. Now from the bottom line, let's angle it down and up. And a V shape on top as well. And then close off the top with a curve around. Now let's draw the letter E, starting with a wavy line down. Follow the reference curve at the bottom, and then a straight line across at the top. Now from the top, let's bring it down and curve it in. And the same thing at the bottom, but larger. And let's close off the center of the E with a bump in the middle. Now let's add another letter E on the right. Let's draw a wavy line down. Curve it along the guide at the bottom. And a line across at the top. Now from the top, let's bring it down and in. And curve it back in at the bottom. And then in the center, let's draw a bump and a round. Now let's hop down and draw the letter D. Underneath on the left, let's draw a curve up along the guideline. Then on the left, let's draw a small curve in. Now let's bring it down and back in at the bottom. And then a large curve to close off the shape of the letter. Now let's hop in and let's draw a line down and a curve on the right side. Now top over and let's draw the letter O. Let's draw a large oval shape like this. And then a circle inside. Now for the letter H, let's draw a curve down. Bring it out on the top and bottom. Now let's draw 2 lines, leaving a gap in the center. Then bring 2 lines over to the right. Bring it up and down. Follow the curve up on top and a line across at the bottom. And then close off the letter H. And that's it for the logo. Now we can erase the guideline. And that's it for this Needoh cube. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!